Apartment B, located in Bratislava, Slovakia, redefines how a small living space can feel expansive through minimal yet precise interventions. Designed by Grau Architects in 2024, this 73 square meter apartment is a study in clarity, light, and material honesty. Starting with the living room and kitchen, the two functions are merged into one open, fluid space. Natural oak cabinetry runs along the wall, integrating storage, appliances, and even ventilation into a single linear gesture. The flooring continues the theme. Light wood panels unify the area, reinforcing the sense of continuity. Moving to the corridor, the designers eliminated unnecessary partitions, allowing the corridor to become a subtle extension of the main living space. Storage is embedded within walls, and circulation feels effortless, uninterrupted. The bathroom presents a smart detail. A translucent glass block partition replaces a solid wall, allowing natural light to filter into the space without sacrificing privacy. Here, surfaces are minimal. Matte ceramic tiles and simple fixtures keep the space functional, yet warm. In the bedrooms, materials remain consistent. White walls and oak elements frame the private spaces with the same calm precision found throughout the home. Built-in wardrobes and minimal detailing ensure that the rooms feel open rather than confined. Throughout the apartment, material transitions are handled with extreme care. There are no dramatic contrasts. Instead, textures and tones are closely aligned, producing a feeling of coherence and quiet elegance. From a broader perspective, Apartment B also reflects its urban context. In a growing and densifying Bratislava, this project offers a thoughtful response to living compactly, without sacrificing quality, dignity, or beauty. Rather than overwhelming the senses, Apartment B simply lets space, light, and honest materials do the work.